This is Dustin, and today we're looking at the final 99-cent Polarbit app. This is Dirtbike. Okay, so let's play Dirtbike. Here it is. As you can see, the menus are exactly the same as other $1 Polarbit games, with the option to sign into your profile, look at high scores, and play the game. Let's play the game. Here we go! Yay! As you can see, the game plays itself. You do not have to touch this screen in order to beat the game. It's so much fun! However, if you do feel the need to control your player, you can tell him to stop having fun by hitting the button at the bottom right of the screen. Now the guy on the bike no longer has fun. Except he's very good at drawing backwards. Okay, let's go forward. We can also control the angle of the driver by hitting the buttons at the left. You hit this button to lean forward and this button to lean backwards and crash. However, if you lean backwards far enough, you can do a flip. And this will add time to your score, shown up here. In order to get a high score, you want to complete the game in the least amount of time. Here are 5 checkpoints. I just hit the 4th one. Also, here is your current time. I am at -24.91. Now I am at -27. La 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 la. Fun, fun, fun for everyone. Now I am on the final checkpoint. This is the last checkpoint of the entire game. One thing to note while playing Dirtbike is that there is only one level, and this is the level. It's so much fun, totally worth the $1. We are done. We have beat the entire game. Yay! Now we can submit our score to the highest score list. Or we can go and play a better game. Yay! Dirtbike is a game. Go to droidshark.com. I'm Dustin. Insert cheesy closing line here.